Like today, what we'll do, right? We will see the basic commands of Linux. Like in the going forward, we will go into work on only Linux. So we'll see the only basic commands, like what we will use in the real time. Okay. So first we will go with the bash commands here. Okay. If we go with in the bash commands, I will tell you one thing here. In the server, we are logging in the server, right? So whenever you create one server, that not in the proper update, like uh, dependency, like if you are buying one phone, you bought your phone, right? Then you go and see in the system update, some updates will be there. You will update it, right? Same like that in the server also, it, not updated up to date. So whenever you are launching the one instance, right? First time, just check update. Like first, you need to switch to root user. How to switch the root user? Sudo -i. Okay, this is one command. Or else one more command is there. Sudo su super user. Same. Both commands act like same only. Okay. So what sudo -i it will do, right? It will go to the root. See, sudo -i. To type this one, where you are now, pwd ECT user you are now. Now we'll try sudo -i. Where you will go, pwd root folder you will go. Like where the root folder will be, cd slash. Yeah, here you can able to see, right, root. So when you log in as a sudo -i, right, it will redirect to the root folder. You will, whatever you're doing the operations, right, everything you will able to do in this root folder only. Okay, you will check with this sudo su. So now where are you? You are in ECT user. So sudo su. What it will do in the sense, directly you are in the ECT console itself, that folder. See, you can able to see, right, where you are doing, right, that folder, and you can able to do the sudo. Okay, so you won't go to the root folder. You directly from the single that folder itself, you can switching to root user. Su in the means super user. Okay, after switching to the super user, right, what you need to do, you need to update the your patches in the Linux. After switching to the root, you are no need to use the sudo. You are not in the root user, right? Sudo user now, then you need to use sudo. Okay, so I'm not using any sudo user. Yum update. Okay, dependencies is resolved, nothing is there to update. If anything is there, right, it will ask you to, shall I install all updates or not? Then you need to keep hyphen, then you need to give the y. Yes, now it will install the dependencies. Or else while installing this update itself, it don't ask me to prompt to yes or no. Directly install all the things in the sense. Just we need what we need to do, right? M update space -y. Okay. If you type this one, what it will do, right? It will check the updates. Any updates is there, it install automatically. It don't ask you for the prompt to give yes or no, install or not. Automatically it will be installed. We'll see the one example for the HTTP. Okay, yum install HTTP. It asking, right? It asking for yes or no. What I will do, I will exit. I will click no. It won't install. Now what I will do, I will go here, space -y, install. Is it asked anything for yes or no? Nothing it asks. So while running the command itself, we are giving the option to don't ask me anything, just run that command, download it. So that is meant by why. Okay. Whenever removing all the things also, like yum remove HTTP, it will ask yes or no. Installing you did yes or no. For the deleting also, it asking for yes or no. In the time I don't want to ask any questions, just delete it in the sense, just same thing. Yum remove HTTP space -y. Not only in the HTTP, all the packages what you are installing in the Linux system. Okay, like this you need to do. Like it will be a little bit easy. Like in the running time, we are getting again you need to press all the things. It will take time, right? It will be doing in the single command, and we'll go with the bash commands. What is here? Uname -a. Okay, uname -a. what it's giving. It's giving the kernel versions. You are having the one Linux server, right? The server, what is the kernel? Linux, IP, internal IP. Like these things it will give. GNU Linux. What type of that one? x86 by 2064. Like in the Windows, it having 32-bit or 64-bit, right? Like that. So it will give you that one. Next, head -n1. If you had any distributions, right, on this server, it will show you the distributions. These are new servers, we don't have any distributions. So we'll did that one. Mount, right? So this is we will use for that purpose. We'll use the mount. Mount endpoint name, which place you are going to mount, right? Path. If your mount right space here, you are going to DNS name what you got the from EFS, right? That mount point you will give here and space, and you will give the destination folder where you want to mount that one. Okay. If you want mount it in the EFS, give like this, or if you want to mount it inside the EFS, like EFS/file. In this place you want to mount, you can mount like this. Okay. Next, date. What it will do, right? It will give you the date with time. Like what time? What is the date? Like this is a UTC time, not Indian time. United States time, Standard time. So our timing will be 5.5 hours faster. Whenever we are calculating the logs, right, in the real time, what we'll do, we'll convert this UTC time into our Indian Standard time. Okay. Now, what is our time? 3:48, right? In the real time, what we will do, right? We will minus the 5:30 hours from existing one, 3 hours, right? If you minus the 5:30 hours, right, what will be the time? How we will check in the sense? Like if you had any other options, right? No options will be there. What you will do? Just go to the Google. What is UTC time? No. What is the time? 10:18. Now what is the time? 3:48. How many hours now? Only 5 hours, 30 minutes it will be the difference. 5.5 hours. So when you are seeing the logs, anything on the server level, just to follow the you're having the IST, right? Minus the 5:30 hours. 5:30 hours and see the logs in the what time you want. That is a one thing, major thing. Like we are regularly following that one. UTC and IST. Uptime. It will give the uptime from how much hour this server is running. Like we launched up to 14 minutes. How many users? One user. Load, average load. It will give you the other things from the what time the server is running. So who am I? We will try this one. Who am I? Root. Okay. Here it will showing the root user. So I'm exiting the root user. I will check again. Who am I? ECT user. Like why it is giving the ECT user, why it's giving the root user. Like we switch it to the root and we switch it to the ECT user. Why we'll use this means in the future we'll create the separate users. This is Linux system, right? So we are I will create one user with your name. So I will provide the whole dedicated username for you. I don't give you the permissions to access a other folder. Like that we can make it in the Linux. So that's way when we are want to know who am I logging as in the server, then we'll get to know the username. Okay, that's why we use this command. Man, command show manual for command. Okay, what it will do, man command. If you know one thing, man, I mentioned tar only. Why? Because I know one command name tar, but I don't know what it will do. Its commands. If you give man space tar, right? You can able to see the what that it will do. The tar what it will do, like that it will come. See here you can able to see, right? Unix style tar -a archive -c archive file -d archive file, like these will options will be there, right? These things will be coming here. Like how we can tell directly in the sense, like documentation. Like in the if you go and see in the Windows, right, that will be the GUI mode, it will give you the proper way. But if you come to the Linux, right, this is a documentation. You can able to see the documentation like this with using the man command. Whenever you start with any command, right, to fulfill all the command. So just what you will do, go with the man command, give your what to command, you know. Just enter. It will give you the appropriate things. Okay, what this command will do, what extensions we need to add over there, when we missed anything over there, like that. Okay. And cat prop CPU info. Permission denied. Why? Because that is a kernel. We are using a easy to use. What I asked, CPU info will give you the processor, which processor you are using. Which one? Model 63 Intel or Xeon CPU, this one, 2.4 gigahertz CPU. So stepping, microscope, CPU, heads, catchy, all the things you can able to see here. Flash size, cache alignment, address sizes. Okay. What all you want CPU related, right? You can able to see with this command. Cat proc memory info. See, it will give you all the memories in KBs. Okay. Memory, how much memory it is, how much memory it will be free, how much memory is available, how much is going for the buffers, cache, swap cache, active, inactive, all the things related to the memory, your storage, you can able to see with this command. DF. What it will give? DF. It will give you the mount points. Mount points. Like that means you can able to see that this dev TMPS is there. Where it be mounted, which part? It will be mounted on slash dev. We go with a slash dev right inside, you can able to see the dev TMPS, all the things. We go with the dev SHM, this thing is mounted on TFS mounted on dev SHM. Okay, here dev XVDA1. What is it? It is our main root volume. Where it mounted? The root slash. Slash in the sense what in the root, exact root. Okay. So like that, if in the future we are adding the EFS, right? Whenever we add the EFS file systems and all, we can able to see here only. It will be mounted or not. Okay. Here it will show. Here it will show the your mount point. Which mount point? And how much size is there? How much it is used? How much it is available? Use percentage. This is the mount point in the your disk where it attached to this mount point. Okay. If you run user 1000, this TMPFS is available at this address. Like that. DU. Disk usage. It will give you the show direct space usage. Where is app? What it will do? Show the possible locations of the app. What is that means? Like you have installed one server. So you want to know the server location where it is. So you don't know like actually you know to the Linux and you want to know like where the that system will be stored. Okay. So where is command is right. Where is HTTPD? Okay. See, it give you the available locations. See, before HTTP is not there in our system, right? You want to know like, where it's located. It gives us some appropriate things. User has been HTTPD. User lib64 HTTPD. EDC HTTPD. User share HTTPD. These things will be there, right? Right. So by seeing that, we can able to identify which path that HTTP is located. So if we go with EDC and HTTPD, right, you can able to see the configuration file. Like you get to right where it will be placed. So you forget the location how to see. So if you type that one, right, what CD Here you can able to see all the configuration files of HTTP. By this way, we'll use the various HTTP for all the possibility of softwares. Which so it will give the which HTTP, like where from where it will be start. User has been HTTP. Okay. So which app will be run by default? In the HTTP will be there, right? So by default on that one, which will be run by default. So by that we can able to see this user has been HTTP will be run by default. Here you can able to say, right, in the various HTTP you got all the things. HTTPD user lib60 lib64 it is HTTPD, all the things we got it right. By default which will be run in the sense it will, this is the path. Okay, so we seen this bash commands. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll see the bash shortcuts. Okay, stop current command. How, what it will be in the sense, what is the command? Control C. What I will do, I will use the before command only. See, this command in the different line. Okay, I'm running. Okay, what it will do? It's not giving any output. Why? Because you are not given the proper way. No, you want what you want to, you want to cancel the process. Like the process is running, but you are not able to do anything. It is coming. You enter right again, it's coming the next line. So you want what you want to do? You want to exit from that command. What we need to do? Control C. What it will do? It cancel the permission, that execution. Okay. What it will do? Go to the end of the line. Okay. See, I am in the starting. This is a small command. But directly we can go like this. Okay. But we want to go directly to the end of the line. What we need to Control E. Where we went? We went directly to the end of the line. So it's very easy to edit the command. Right. So again, if you want to move all the things to at the end, right, it will take some time. And you hesitate to the any point of time, you need to hesitate. Why should I need to do this much of time? This much of need to go the last like that. So this is the command Control E to end of the line. Okay. So now another command Control A. Go to start of the line. Okay. Start of the line in the sense here the cat is there. Okay. What I want to do, I don't want to use this cat command. I want to use Vim command. So again, you want to come front. So what I will do, Control A. What it will do, it will come front. So by using delete command, we can delete the back, the cat, we can give the Vim, we can do it. It will give the memory information. Okay. Cut from the start of the line, Control U. It will cut all the line. Start of the line, like cut from the start of the line, from starting to ending. Control K, cut to end of the line. Just Control U. This is the command I had. I want to cut the end of the line. So I came here. Till here, I want to cut all the lines. So Control U. It will remove the front lines. And Control K is the end of the line. After this, before line I want to remove, after line I want to remove. Control K. Okay, I will come here. Control K. It got removed, right? So this is a small commands. We can able to remove by delete command or short delete command also. But some big commands will be there that we need to do all the things in the sense we can use these shortcuts. Okay. Control R, reverse search history. See here, history. What it will give? It will give you the history of Linux system. What till now you ran the commands. So you remember you ran one command. You don't want to type again on the command. You can search the command by reverse. That is a reverse search. What here mentioned search history. We are searching in history. Okay, come here. Control R. What it came here? Reverse search. Okay. So what I will do before I install one HTTPD, right? I will give 2 lines. Okay. What I did, I given only 2 lines. Sorry, not 2 lines. 2 words. 2 letters. Y U. Okay. M install HTTPD. Okay. Then okay, fine. I don't want this HTTPD. Only I will give HTTPD. It will check. We ran 2 commands on HTTPD. So it giving the where is HTTPD last, like it will going from the back down to top right. It will give you the what first it come right. It will give that one. It will be very easy to use when you are doing the actual thing. So if you are want to go with again, you want to type all the command right. You can using reverse history. You can type 2 lines what you remembered. Just you can check the all the line is correct or not. You want to edit anything, edit it and enter it. That's it. That's the reverse history. Control R. So we'll use this command. What it will do, right? It will repeat the command. What is the last command? Du. What is the last command I did? History only, right? So again, it got repeated the history command. This is shortcut. These 2 symbols. Use now. It will give you the last command. Here, exclamation mark and XYZ. Run last command starting with XYZ. So what you are giving right here, run this command, only starting with XYZ. Okay, what I will do, I will give here what I did before, I installed HTTPD right. That command somewhere it is there. What I did, just I gave like this one, starting with M, just run that command. It will running the what in the previous command of this one, M install HTTPD. So it running. It not taking anything. Why? Because already installed. Nothing to do. Already installed, right? So I didn't give any install HTTPD, right? This already ran in the before. The street will be there. It searched and it took and it running. Print the last command strings with XYZ. What it will give? Like what it will give in the sense, print last command starting with XYZ. Like in the M, we install one command, right? So it will print the entire command here. So you want to know like what is the command without running. How you want to see? You can see by running this command. So this is the command I run last. Okay. Last argument of previous command. What is the last command? HTTPD. The last command. Right on the right. See. M install. HTTP is the last command. After space, what are the command will be there? That will it will take me. It will give the all arguments of previous command. what it will giving, we try to install HTTPD. So install missing destination file operand after HTTPD. Try to install help, right? Like what it's giving in the sense, like already we installed before, already installed. In the before command, it not nothing to do it like it came, right? So that information is not, it will be take, right? So it giving like that. The destination file is not take, not able to see. That's why before and all what we did, only we tried HTTP, right? The HTTP it will give what is the information it will give. It's running or not, it will be give. Okay. That's why not giving the exclamation star. Okay. Okay. We'll see the file permissions. Okay. Before seeing the file permissions, I will tell these two things. Okay. So two commands will be do. What will do, that systemctl will be there, right? When we want to start on application and to stop any application, what we'll do, we'll use the systemctl command. Systemctl start nginx. What it will do, it will start the service. Okay, then you need to know like this nginx is started or not. How you need to know? By running another command called status. Systemctl status nginx. So you can able to see, right, the active and running. Okay. By this way you can able to see. Okay. Some point of times what will happen when you restart the server, it will be a remounting will be not happen. We need to edit something to remount it, right? For this also, if you restart the server, existing server, this will be there, right? If you restart this server, this service will be on start automatically. Like if you start reboot the server, right? This server will be service will be go down. Like it will stop the service. What we want to do is when I restart the server also or rebooted the server also, again this service need to come up and up and running. For that, what we'll do, right? For that also, one command system ctl enable in the next command. What it will do, right? It will create the symbolic link. So when you restart the server, right? So when booting process is going on, right, and that time this service will be enabled. That is the use of these three commands: starting, stopping, enabling the service at the runtime. When you restart or stopped, and when you restarting, rebooting, right? When your server is up and running, right, then we will use these symbolic things. We will enable these things only. Okay. Okay. Here one we'll see the grep with the such files only will go. What is a grep? Why we use this grep? Like we have one notepad is there. The notepad, in the Windows, we have the notepad. See, we opened on the search console will be there. If you go on search over there, you can able to get all the details what you want, what you type over there. So here also, same, it act like that only. So if you want something in some pattern, filtering the things. Why using the grep using for the filtering the things. Grep. Okay, what I'm doing, I created one file. In that I mentioned welcome to Seven Input Tech. Okay, cat test.txt pipe symbol for the concatenation. Two commands we are including in the single command. Okay, grep Shiva. So here you can able to see, right, in the cat, in the text file, Sivan is there. Okay, that is it highlighted. Such particular filtering the things. Okay, if I give LLP, it's giving anything in the file, giving any output. No, why? Because not there. So if you want to search anything on the files anywhere, we will use this grep command. Here, grep -i is there. Case insensitive search. Why it means here, here and I will show you. C1 is a small case only, right? I will make this as a capital. You got anything? What I will do all the C1 in the capital. Nothing I am coming. It's case sensitive. Grep command is for the case sensitive. So what I'm doing, I'm making the grep as a case insensitive. So if you give in the capital or small anything, it taken it search, need to search. For that, okay, grep -i give the name. It's such a right. So we are making the grep as a insensitive. So whenever using right, make sure remember this command grep -i. With the only help of grep, we can't find all the things. Why? Because we might be while typing the commands, we may put the small case, we may put the uppercase. Like we don't know exactly what the command it will be in the uppercase or lowercase. So if you use this -i insensitive, right, you will find easily. Okay, recursive search. What does it mean by recursive search? Recursive search in the sense if you having this is the one file, your file is there, right? I can able to see. So in the one folder, some all the things will be there. Some lot of the things. So, but I want to know that this only seven in the file is called, right? So I want to know where it is. So I don't know like where it is there. So we I have in the folder path only I'm doing recursively searching for the inside all the subfolders. Yeah, having multiple 10, 20 folders will be there, right? So if you want such the file now, you can go and search like that. How we will do it? It mostly we will use it for what purpose we will use, right? Recursive and all to find the configuration files. Somewhere you want to update anything, right? In that way we'll use. Here I mentioned command. I used one command before. I used right the pipe symbol. So this is the pipe symbol. Okay, we are typing one command cat test.txt. So in this command, what I'm doing, just I'm filtering this one. Is there or not searching? Pipe symbol, grep pattern. Which pattern you want? So I want 7 pattern. Is there or not? I want to check. I check. So it got worked. This is our find /dr name star. Okay, what it will do? Okay. So I want to find. So where I am there now. Sorry, PWD. I'm in the root. Okay. So just I'm going out of the root where I'm in the slash root path. I'm there. What I'm doing, find. I'm finding the one file. Yeah. Okay. Where in the root? Okay. That only right. This is the one directory. That's it. Like this is the one directory. What I'm meaning name -name. What I mean TE. I'm not giving the entire thing. Text. Text is there. So what I'm getting T. T is the specific what? Star indicates after the T, what are all the files will be there. That should be giving me output. Is there? I mentioned only T. Okay. For your purpose, what I will do, I will go and create one file, one more file. What I will do again, run this command. Name T star. Enter. Giving the two files. Okay. One more like this. What we'll do? Name. Okay. Here, I want to know only .txt files, not other files. I don't want. Only .txt files I want. What any name? I'm not specifying any name. What extension with the .txt, right? That file should be show to me. What I will do? I will star. Star indicates what? All. In this folder, all what end with dot txt. Got it. So for this, what I will do, I will make it one more thing like, okay, 0. Okay, what I will do, I will create one index.html. Okay. So here can able to we had the three files. Okay. What? Okay, right. So I'm finding one file. I need a .html file. Okay. Where in the root? You check here. Only this place also fine. We are checking from the root here. Okay. Which file we want? Hyphen name star dot html. See, here you can able to see lot of files will extension with a HTML. Lot of files will be there. You want now that you want to know, right? You can go and check it, or else we'll go and check our file where it's see the root index.html what we created. Okay, if you give the specific path, right? Where here in the root, it will give the only your root index file. Okay, if you give here star, only star, what it will do, it will find all the files. Okay, we are not given we gave a name, right? So we need to give the pattern. Index pattern. Okay, index.html showing the index. Like that, we need to search the files. Here, find directory user name. Find files owned by the name in directory. Like, what does it mean by? I'm giving LL list the in all the things. This is the user. This is the group. This is a group. This is user. So root user, root group. So I want to know like what I'm find directory username. I will do find slash root hyphen user root. These many things will be their files. Why we are not able to see all the files? Only what we can able to see these three only. Text to index.html. Why we not able to see vim dot dash history dot tch? Why we are not able to see? These also files will be placed in the root folder. Why? Because those things are hidden files. How to see the hidden files? ls-a. all. See, you can able to see, right? See, before we seen only these three files. Okay. LL. If you put LL, right, it only give you the three files, not hidden files. You can able to see only three. What I giving here, LL hyphen A. Okay, it will give the all the hidden files. These all the things will be there hidden, except these three. So, like this. Some people ask you one question, how to hide the files. So what your answer is, just we need to saving the file as dot name, like I created one file test.txt, right? Already is there, test is there, test2 is there. Okay. I created one more file called dot test.txt. Can you able to see anyone? No, right? We'll see here. Hyphen test.txt file you can able to see. This is the file, right? Hiding the file. This is how we'll hide the files. Like how to, if somebody asks the question like how to hide the file in the sense, don't confuse, don't take any hesitation. Tell like while creating the file for the starting line, we'll put the dot. We'll saving the file with the dot in starting. That will be go in a hidden files. Okay. Where is command? Where is yum? So we have yum repository, right? We are using the yum repository. The command will be there. That command, where is it located? User bin yum, user share man, these places. Okay. Locate file where I am now. Slash locate text test dot txt. Okay. Directory operations. Okay. PWD. What is mean by PWD? PW means by present working directory. So PWD means present working directory. That is not password. Okay. PWD. Run this command. Where you are in the root folder. Okay. See if you are in the home CD, so okay. Now like this you are there. Look, you want to know, you want to copy your path where exactly you are. So why? Because you want to paste that path in somewhere in the libraries or in the configuration files you want to paste. So you want to know the exact total path, right? What we'll do, just go to that exact place, click PWD. It will give you the detailed your working directory location. Okay, slash home slash EC2 user. This is your working location. So you can copy this path and you can save it in any configuration file wherever you require. In the future, you're going to use, right, that thing on. And mkdir. Why? What is it? Mkdir in the sense making the directories. Directory in the sense folders. See, like I'm not having any folders here in the EC2 user. Okay, I want to make folders. mkdir SIT. What it will do? It will create the folder. Like we seen now like how to create the file. we need to know how to create the folders and how to go to the folder. How you will go to the folder? You created one folder, right? How you will go? By CD. What is mean by CD? CD means change directory. CD SIT. Enter. Where you are in the SIT directory. How you know you want to confirm your directory, right? PWD. Home EC2 SIT. You are in a SIT directory now. Like this, we will create the directories, folders. Directories in terms of Linux, folders in terms of Windows. Okay. Change directory. We are going to change, right? Okay, fine. Okay. Now we are there here. Okay, I want to go back. I came here, fine. In the SIT group, in the folder I came. In the Windows now, what we'll do, in the one arrow will be there, back button. If you go click on the back button, if you go back, click on that folder, it will go inside. But how you will do it in the Linux? Right? That we need to know, right? For that, we will use the only one command, cd, changing the directories. Okay, we'll use cd. Double dots, two dots. What it will do? It will take you to the back one step back. Okay, where I am ECD user, PWD, ECD user. Okay, I'm going back front again. Who is SID? Okay, what I will do here, cd dot dot slash dot dot. What it will do? Two steps back. Where I came? To home. If I check here, right, PWD, where we are in the home folder only, right? Like that, if you're going the front, right, if you want to go back for two steps or three steps, right, you can give it like this. Two steps. If you give like this, right, it will go three steps. Okay. Or else if you want to access some files without going somewhere in the sense, not absolute path, relative path will be there. Okay. Absolute path, relative path. Absolute path in the sense, you're staying there directly and doing. That is absolute. See, cd slash root. Okay. I want to open this file, index.html. Vim index.html. I'm opening this one. What does it mean? I came to the existing directory where the file is located. I came there and I'm accessing that file. That is absolute. But relative path will be there. What is mean by relative path? So what I will do, I will be there in somewhere, some other folder, like in the home and EC2. Okay. Here the only SID. Okay, we'll go to the SID also. Here nothing, no files will be there. LL-A. Okay, only dot 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 dot. Okay, I want to access that text.txt file. How will I access? Okay, Vim. On which path it will be there? Slash. Which one? Root. So in the further root, these things are all like you type only 2 words or 3 words. ROT. Just press on tab. It will fulfill all the things. Okay. It will fulfill all the things. TE test put dot txt. It came. I'm opening here. It can able to open the file, right? This is a relative one. So if you're staying in the same directory and opening that file in the sense, that is different. You are staying somewhere, some other folder and accessing the other file in the sense, that is different. That is called absolute and relative paths. Okay. Why we use this means absolute and relative path when we are copying the files one place to another place. When we are moving the files one place to another place. Okay, we need to know the path, right? In the Windows, right, what we'll do? Control C, copy the file, and we'll go to the other folder and we'll paste it. It will paste. But in the Linux, we can't do that things, right? We can't copy the single file and go and paste it. We won't paste it. Okay. So what I will do, like the window, I will go and I will copy, will move the comments, I will show you. Index.html is there. Okay, we've seen mkdir, these things, right? We'll see the file operations. Now, what I told you, right? Those things on only. ls, list the things. What are the things in the directory? It will be listed. ls-a, it will list the hidden files. Like it will give in a single file format. If you give ll, right, it will give in the things with the permissions. If you give ls, now only it will list the files only, files and folders, not its permission. So owner, user, what the tunnel it don't give. The files as well don't give. Okay, if you put ll, right, it will give you all the things, including all this root operations. ls, ls-a, ll, ll-a. Okay, touch file. It will create the file. touch text 3.txt. What it will do? It will create one file called text3.txt file, but it won't give any input inside. If you see here, it creates the text.3.txt, right? So I want to see cat text3.txt. No data will be there. If you see vim text3.txt, nothing will be there. So here these two will be there. You can ask here, why you using the cat command, why you using the vim command. What is that? Those are the editors, text editors. In our Windows, we have the notepad, right? Like that, in the Linux, we have in this cat, vim, and one more thing, nano. Nano, N-A-N. Okay, these three are text editors. If you create with the touch file, right, it will create only file, not it didn't insert anything in it, you don't create. So only empty file it will create. If you want, go with any text editors, anything on, you can go and insert. If you want insert any data, cat less than test3.txt, enter. Hello, welcome. I give less than, right? Hmm. Generally, we won't use this cat and all. Only we will most prefer is baby. This will be copied all the things, it will do right. See, it got inserted. Hello. Directly it will insert. So see, if you okay, text hello is there, right? What I will do? Cat. I'm giving the things here. Entering. I want to give by. Okay. Just I'm canceling this one. Done. File got saved. Okay. Bye. You want to see when text3.txt. You can able to see only one command, one character only. Why? Because what it will doing, it appending the existing one and it removing the old one, it placing the new one. Cat command. If you want edit the existing one, right? We'll use the nano or vim. Nano. Here the commands will be for this file things only. One more is there, right? Here. Nano. Nano shortcuts, read files, save files, close files, cut, paste, smart marketing, all the things we can use. Nano text tree.txt. Here you can able to see, right? Hello. Welcome to C1. Okay. How to save? Control X. Save modified as filter. Yes. Enter. It got saved. Want to see? We'll see the tail command. We'll see. I will tell you why using the tail command. Okay. Tail. Bye. Welcome to 7infotech. It got entered, right? If you use cat greater than file, right? What it will do, it will only appending the existing one, not inserting the next line. It appending existing line will be there. It appending and it giving the output. It's saving. File cat file1 and file2. Concatenate files and give the output. Concatenation in the sense what? Concatenation in the sense it will add plus adding the files. See, like plus this two files will be there, concatenate. If you're giving the one name one name this in a separate folder. Here I'm giving the hello. I'm giving the other name called world, separate folder. I will use the plus symbol somewhere. Like in the cat, we will use the separate thing. So we will use the plus in the logical things. In the Java or anywhere, we will use concatenation, we will use the plus, right? Like that. Concatenate the two files. We'll see that the two files. Cat text.txt space test2.txt. See, first is a hello, welcome to 7infotech. Now we'll see cat test.txt. What is that? Hello, welcome to 7infotech. Cat test2.txt. What it will do? Second file. This is a different files, right? But I'm making in the single files, so single output. Cat test.txt, test2.txt. What it doing? Hello, welcome to 7infotech. This is second file. It giving the single file output. Less file. Okay, less test dot txt. Here you can able to see. Hello, welcome to 7infotech. Right. What it will do, right? Less what it will do, it will show the content in the file, what it will be. For this less command, you're not having any insert thing, anything, nothing it will be there. Just to see the what content will be placed in the folder file. Okay. After seeing this, Control Z. File. Text dot txt. So we can see what type of file it is. Okay. So here one more thing is there, right? We'll see this one. File text index.html. ASCII text. Okay. CP file1, file2. Okay. Make concentrate on these things. Yeah. This one. What I'm doing, CP in the sense copying the files. Okay. How to copy the file? This test.txt is there, right? What I will do, I will copy this to another same location. I will create as a second copy. CP test.txt space test4.txt. I didn't create any file. Test4. I'm entering. It copying the test.txt content to test4.txt. It created automatically. Okay. So here, before I told you, right, absolute path and relative path. Here we will use it. Okay. LM slash sit. See, in the sit folder, no files will be there here. Okay. In the home ACT user sit, no files will be there. What I'm going to do, I'm copying the index.html to sit. Okay. This is the relative path, what I'm using here. Home, visit user, sit. I'm not placing the directory, but I want to listing the files, what will be there. So this is a relative, not absolute. CP index.html, where I want to copy to SIT, right? Slash, just copy this, all the things, path, pasting here, slash, which file I'm going to say, like only index.html or same like that. Same like that. So I don't want to rename the file name. Okay. See, index.html got copied. Okay. Now, what I will do, say, this is the same file. What I will do, I will rename the file and I will say index to dot html. What it will do, right? From the index.html, it will copy the content. It will create in this index.html. It will copy over there. Done. We'll see that file. LL index2.html got created. Okay, it copied. Got it, what I'm saying. It copied the content to over there. So we'll go and see the same content is there or not. Less index.html. Okay. Hello world. Okay. Less index to .html. What is that? Hello world. Same content. By pressing the Q also you can exit. Okay. Like this. Like how we'll copy now? Like this will copy. One more thing. Move. How to move the files. How to rename the files. Till now, we have created the files, we have did all the things. But somehow what you did while creating the file, by mistakenly you entered the wrong name for that file name. You want to enter, you want to rename. How you will rename? So here, copying the file, copy cp index.html space and index2.html. It will be rename the file and it will save the file. Okay. But index.html that will be copy only, right? I don't need the data. This time I want to move all the data to this. I want to rename, not the copy. Okay. For that, move. So mv index.html index to .html. What it will do, right? It will rename the file. Okay, you don't make the copy of that file. Enter. What you can able to see index2.html. Right, it got renamed, right? Less. Next. See, hello world. Only same thing. Only it got renamed the file name. It not copied, it not multiple copies not having this one. Okay, fine. What we'll do now, this for the renaming, this one we are using. Okay, I want to move this file into other location. How to move? Same command, same way. But on what we'll do, just we will change the thing. That's it. Index where we want to store, we need to give the path. That relative path will be there, right? That we need to give. Home, EC2 user. I'm saved in the EC2 user only. Why? Because already index2.html I saved in the SIT. I will save it here. Enter. Okay. Here you can able to see the command is successfully slash home EC2 user LL. Index2.html got here. Okay. Now I got moved, right? That file will be there in the root folder. Okay. Slash root. File is there? No. Why? Because what we did, we have not copied the file. We moved the entire file to directory. Okay. Don't confuse between the copy and move. Okay. Copy having the different functionality, move having the different functionality. Okay. Right now you want to do these all the things in the means it will take some time. So make sure while doing this command, remember the points, how to copy, how to rename the file, how to move the file, how to move to another location. Those things and all you need to make sure. Okay. Remove. Okay. Okay. I created one file, test.txt. I want to delete it. How can I delete it? That's called RM. Remove. File name. Regular file. Text dot you want to remove. Will asking the question to you. Yes. It will be removed or not? Right? It got removed. One more command. rm-r. What it means? Directory. Deleting the directory. We can delete the file by rm. How to delete the directory? -r. cd slash home ac2. This is the directory, right? SIT. I will what I will do? RM SIT. I will do. Why? Because I know only one command like RM. You can't remove the SIT. It's easier directory showing. How to delete the directory? RM-R SIT. It will ask you to directory. Yes or no? Yes. Remove the regular files. Every time in the folder, what you are doing, right? You having the multiple files, will ask you the permission if you want to delete or not. Yes. 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 These many times you need to press this. Now we had only three files. You want to delete the folder, but you have only three files is there. Because of that, you are putting SSS, you can be able to run the command. But how to delete all the files without asking anything? Okay, what I will do, get here. Again, I will create one more directory. I will go to this directory. SAP. Nothing is there. So I will create one file called touch test.txt. I'm not giving any these things on that. I'm not giving any input or value in that. So touch index.txt. Sorry, index.html. Okay. So we have two files. What I will do, I'll coming back. I'm now going to remove the folder without asking anything. RM hyphen. Here, sometimes what it will do, like F will be there. File while deleting it won't delete. So, but we want to delete that file. That time you want to use F-F now. Forcefully you deleting the file. Okay, that one. So, how to remove the directory? Forcefully. RM-RF dir. Okay. RF, SIT. It asked anything to you? The file will be there or not? Not deleted. It didn't ask any confirmation also for you. Okay. Make sure this, it will make you very difficult in the thing. Why? Because in the production servers or any UAT servers, you are deleting the one file, right? Make sure cross confirm when you are using this RM-RF. It don't give you any caution to you while running this command. For the files also, you are doing RM file lemma, it will give the caption you want to delete or not. Yes or no. For the RM-R, for deleting directly, it will asking you the caution. Okay. So that time you are giving the yes, yes or no. You want to delete forcefully, you are giving RM-F. F to forcefully you are deleting. This RM-RF, what it will do, without giving any caution, it will delete the other things. If you try to delete any big key resource in the sense, it will lose all the things. It will not having any backup also. See, here in the index2.html is there. I want to delete without caution. Like I want to do yes or no. RM-RF index2.html. Is it asked anything to me to delete or not? No, right? Go delete it. See, it's not there. So while performing this only single command, make sure, remember, it don't ask you anything. It completely remove all the things. cd/root. We'll go there. Here some files will be there. Again, we'll try to delete rm text. It asking the caution to you here. Okay. To give the yes, okay, we'll give the no. What will happen? Nothing will happen. The file remains same. Got it? So make sure while performing the RM-RF, you should aware to on which folder you are doing. Why? Because I know I already did so many mistakes on the RM-RF. I'm forcefully removing all the files blindly sometimes. So that cost me some time. Again, I tried hard and I make it back by doing or copying some other things, pasting and making that up. Okay. Make sure that RM and RF. Okay. Your head file. What is head file? Head text dot test dot 2.txt. Second file. Head giving. Okay, you can able to say right. Okay, when I am used before less command, it's same. It's on the same content. So you are using the head test.txt. It giving the same content. Again, I'm showing one more command. Tail test 2.txt. Okay, it also giving the same content. What is the difference between this content? This is comments, right? Less will be give all the input. Okay. Head, what it will do, right? It will give the only 10 lines of top. In the file, we have the bunch of lines. If you had hundreds of lines will be there, right? Okay. In the hundreds of lines, only I want to, what is the starting, it will be there, I want to know. So what you want to use, right? You can use the head. If you use head command, it only give the starting 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, till 10th line, it will give you the output. After 10th line, it don't give you the output. If you use a tail, right, it give you the output below 10 lines. From below 10 lines. Apart from that, it don't give anything. But you had one more question. Okay. Then fine, you are saying absolutely right. Head, it will give the 10 lines, tail will give the 10 lines. But if you want, I want more lines in that one. How can I get? Like, I don't want to go and see less command or vi command to see all the text files. I want using the head and tail command only. I want to know some 20th line, 50th line, what it will be there. How to know? Right. For that, head. Okay. Hyphen. How many lines you want? Till 100 lines. F and test 2.txt. Okay. For the test, it will give the 10 in the top things. For the tail, 100F from below. Why? Because in the most logs will be come down only, right? Okay. Logs for the logs will see from the down only. So we will see the top below 100. It will give the 100 lines from the below. Okay. If you give 300, it will give you 300 lines. We not having in 300 lines here. So if you want to check here, we'll go and check in the some other way. Okay, wait. Let's see. CD star CTC. Linux. CD con 3. Okay, we'll do one thing. In the past CGF con something, it will be there. Less. Okay, okay, it having some lines, right? How many? In the starting and last remote address, server name, these things will be there. Starting document, these things will be there. We'll check it on this one. Okay. Okay, head. How many lines it giving? Only 10 lines. Not giving all the content. Okay. Here. Tail. Same. It giving the below content. Not giving the all the thing. The top, this many having the four things, something it will be there. But only it came three only, right? You want more thing, right? Hyphen 50. If see, it will give all the things. Okay. I think that one. Yeah, by this way we can able to see the sudos. Okay. See sudo.conf. It giving only 5 till here. Okay. If you go with the tail, how much is it giving? It giving only allow debug to default sudo.conf. Till here only it giving. But I want above the line. Okay, what I will do? I will give the 100 here. Hyphen 100 F. So sudo conf. See, it giving the all the lines, right? Able to see how much data we came. What is the difference between a tail and hyphen 100F without saying why we are using? By this way we'll use. Okay. Control C to exit from this one. Okay. We'll see less command. Sudo.conf. Okay. Here you can able to see all the things. You're not restricting anything here. It will show all the file. That's the difference. Sudo head tail. RM head tail hyphen F. Done this one. Process management. PS. You can able to see, right, the what process is taking. PID. You can able to see the process IDs. PIDs. Sudo bash less PS. Display the currently running active processes. So we'll go with the top. Here it came so many of things. What is it? This is a like CPU utilization. Like if you're running anything, right? Here you can able directly can able to see, right? Task is performing, how many users, one user, load, task, how many tasks, how many running, how many sleeping, stopped, zombie process. Some process will be won't stop, keep on it will be run. So that time you want to delete the zombie process. Like that it will be there. Like when we will see the stop command, right? When we performing this uh, site things and all, right? Our system server is getting very slow. So then we want to know like why the server is getting slow, right? And the particular time what service is running, what service is taking the more utilization. So here you can able to see here. As of now, here it will be this is the running system memory. System memory taking the 1.7 percentage memory. So like in the CPU utilization zero as of now. So if somewhere if you're running any server, right, any hits come more, right, that server utilization will be make high, maybe high, right. So on that time you can able to see here by coming this much of load to this server, because of that only this server went that much high. Here we can able to see properly on which service it got high utilization. So by that way we can able to judge like we need to increase the upscale or not, will downscale, or what we need to do on this one. Okay, optimization. That thing we can able to use in the top. Kill PID. What does it mean by kill PID? So net stat hyphen TNLP. Okay, here I can able to see some process is running 80 port, 80 port. Okay, before I had tried once. You have seen it got failed when I'm stopping. So what I did, I came here and I deleted this process, right? Like that, sometimes we need to forcefully delete the process because of high utilization of the server, RAM, anything and all. It won't be stopped. Like if not having memory, right? How it will stop? So to run the commands. So sometimes it because of some corruption, configuration things, and all, it will be on stop. So we need to stop by kill -9. We'll see these numbers. Why we'll use the name forcefully killing the process. Okay, 2, 3, 8, 6. This is the PID number, process ID number. I have deleted. We'll see is it running or not. See, it got deleted. Okay, on 80 port, which service will be run? HTTPD Nginx. Okay, we install Nginx, right? We'll see the service is running or not. System CTL status in Nginx. See here I can able to see, right? Nginx active failed. Why? Because here you can able to see killed with the failed code killed PID 2380. We have killed, right? That's why it got stopped. Here kill all name. Kill all name is there, right? So you can say next by process ID we will process name we will delete the process. Like generally we are using process ID, right, to delete the process. So we are using the name instead of the ID to all the things.